Yo, yeah, yo, yeah, yo. So Shane, what are some of the cool, important tips that someone needs to know who's first starting to kayak or to boat or to get into this lifestyle?
First thing is you need to wear a PFD.
That's right.
Wear a life jacket.
Which is a life jacket.
That's right.
Needs
a
to be
life
healthy.
jacket. That's right.
Safe.
Yep. You adjust it so it fits you fairly firm.
Right.
So when you pull up on it, it doesn't come sliding up over your head.
Right.
The next thing is kind of picking a boat that works for you and what you want to do. Because the cool thing about kayaking is you can bite off as much as you want to chew, right? We can go to a lake and just chill. We can go to a slow moving river. We can go out in the ocean. We can go paddle whitewater if we want to get into it, you know, and you can paddle long distances or you can paddle 10 feet offshore and just chill and fish. Like the cool thing about kayaking is there's all types of kayaking anybody can do.
So Shane, we've been talking about fishing, and I'll be frank with you. When you were talking about fishing in the boat that you're in, I was like, yeah, that may be cool. But boy, when I started in this boat, when I can have hands free.
Yep.
Oh, you talking about free, my friend.
Yep.
I can catch me a big bass in here, baby.
Yeah.
Woo!
The thing that we've done with specifically the Maxes and the Titans,
Right.
is you literally can take all the stuff you got on a bass boat
And put it right
put
here.
it on this little thing. I mean, people put on monitors and fish finders and even motors are mounted on
I've
these.
seen it.
Yeah. So they fully trick them out to be fishing machines.
You know, so you think about folks wanting to get into the sport, wanting to get into this lifestyle. One of the biggest things that we tell folks is that we want folks to at least want to know how to swim. When you know how to swim, you're less afraid to even want to get into the lifestyle because the water itself, yes, it is dangerous. However, it can be amazingly fun too.
That's one of the greatest parts about kayaking is that you can get places where nobody else can get to.
Absolutely.
And you can get away in a very simple form. You can just pull the boat off of your car, drag it down to the side of the lake and take off. You're gone. You know, you don't have to have an elaborate boat launch or you don't have, you know, it's just really cool that so quickly you can be in the water and you can go somewhere that hardly anybody's ever been.
Right. Well, folks, I want to tell you, I don't want to sugarcoat this at all. I want folks, parents out there, young folks out there, we want you to learn how to swim. This is not just a lifestyle. This is not just a sport. Swimming is a life lesson. And to have you be a part of the Big Adventure team, to be a part of our journey with Black Folks Camp 2, and to show us how amazing this lifestyle is, we couldn't have done it any better than having someone like yourself, Shane.
It's so awesome to do this with you guys.
Absolutely.
I love it.
Woo.